The best breakfast with 3 eggs. Easy and delicious omelette for the family. Let's start by chopping an onion. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, keep interacting with this video. That way you won't miss any of our recipes. Cut up 1/4 of a red bell pepper. This recipe will surprise you, it's easy and quick to prepare. I'm also going to cut up 1/4 of a green bell pepper. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add a drizzle of oil to a frying pan. Put the onion in the pan. Sauté for a minute. Add the red and green peppers. Sauté everything for another 2 minutes. Add a crushed clove of garlic. Mix well. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Let's sauté everything for another 1 minute. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Black pepper to taste. Paprika to taste. Half a teaspoon of Calabrian pepper. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Coriander to taste. Mix well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video, so I know how much you liked it. I can't wait to find out what it will be. Let everything cook for 5 minutes. Add 3 eggs. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Cook for 2 minutes. Add parsley to taste. And the recipe is ready. Quick and easy to prepare at home for your family. Now I'm going to enjoy this very tasty recipe. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.